Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect and use your Fitelo smart Bluetooth scale so you can connect it and use it for maximum results. I'm going to show you the steps right here and you need to follow those steps on your Fitelo smart Bluetooth scale. So first of all, you'll place that scale on a flat and hard surface, so just found a surface like that and put it right there. And once you do that, you will turn on the Bluetooth BMI weight scale by pressing the button at the bottom. So at the bottom of your scale, you will see that button for the Bluetooth BMI weight scale. You're going to press on that. And once you do that, step onto the scale with bare feet covering all four sensors and stand still until your weight is displayed. So you must see sensors. You'll just stand bare feet. You'll stand until you see that weight being displayed, and once it's displayed, step off the smart scale. And once you do that, the scale will automatically turn on. After a few seconds it will turn off because of your inactivity and because there's no weight being recorded over there. And to view other measurements such as BMI calculator, skeletal muscle, body water, bone mass, lean mass, etc., you're going to connect the scale with your Fitelo app and you can be able to customize it from there. You'll simply open up the app and you'll make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. You'll add all of your details over there. You'll see easy prompts where you'll add your details. Then you'll step onto the scale again. It will automatically sync with the scale and it will display all of your measurements. Just make sure that you do that from the application. And once you do that, you can save this data in your application. And like this, you will also be able to connect and properly use your smart scale. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.